Thank you so much for your generosity. What a wonderful reminder. Kari Sajad, thank you so much. Youngsters are doing a tremendous job. May Allah bless you all and Sheikh Shafayat for training you all. Brothers and sisters, not many announcements we have, but like you brothers and sisters, Sheikh Kari Sajad Mikadua, for those brothers and sisters who have passed away and those who are not well. Cousin of mine, childhood friend, Brother Zab in Toronto has passed away, including Brother as well, inshallah. And my nephew in Trinidad, my little nephew after us, is ailing in hospital. Make a dua for him as well, inshallah. And again, thank you so much. Thank you for your generosity. May Allah bless you all. Please be careful, stay safe, inshallah. And those of you 65 who need the vaccine, I have the link to the Jackson Hospital. If you need it, please let me know, inshallah. I'll pass it on to you. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
كل دعاء إن شاء الله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. اللهم أنت السلام ومنك السلام تبارك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. O most merciful Allah, we thank you and praise you for all the favors and bounties you have bestowed upon us, Ya Allah. Ya Allah, we ask you to share your peace and blessings upon the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. O most merciful Allah, we ask you to show your shifa and your speedy recovery on Brother Altaaf Hussain, Brother Afraz Muhammad, and Brother Zahid who are going through sickness and illness, Ya Allah. Ya Allah, we especially ask you to show your rahmah, your mercy and forgiveness on these brothers and sisters who passed away, Ya Allah. Sister Hayat Saidi, Brother Wali Pasha, Sister Sham, Brother Saab, and inshallah we have Dr. Yasin who has passed away, Ya Allah. Your rahmah, your mercy and your forgiveness, Ya Allah. Ya Allah, we ask you to give us all the good in this world and good in the hereafter. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. صلى الله على النبي الكريم والحمد